If you're looking for AI tools that can help you start making money this week, this is it. In this video, I'll show you 3 side hustles powered by AI. They're fast to start, beginner-friendly, and already working for thousands of people. Each one uses tools that do the heavy lifting, so you can focus on results. Let's dive in. First up, voiceover services using AI. You don't need a studio setup. You don't need to record anything. You just need a solid tool. 11 Labs or TTS Maker can generate high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers in seconds. People are paying for podcast intros, YouTube narration, audiobooks, product videos, and more. Choose your voices and adjust tone and pacing, and it will deliver clean audio fast. Here's a tip. Create 3 to 5 voice samples in different styles and add them to your Fiverr or portfolio site. More samples equals more sales. Links are in the description below. Next, use AI to create digital products and sell them online. Start with Gamma to generate a full outline. Build the layout with Notion or Canva, then export and sell on Gumroad or Etsy. Popular products include habit trackers, planners, how-to guides, business toolkits, downloadable templates. These are low cost to create, high in demand, and they sell 24/7. Post a free sample on Reddit, TikTok, or Pinterest to drive traffic to your full product, then let Gumroad or Etsy handle the checkout. The third hustle is converting long videos into short viral clips. Use Opus Clip to take YouTube or podcast content and automatically slice it into high-performing vertical videos. It finds key moments, adds captions, and scores each clip for virality. You can use this to grow a channel or offer it as a freelance service to creators and brands. CapCut and Canva let you polish each video before uploading to TikTok, Shorts, or Reels. A possible sales target could be to offer a sample clip to new YouTubers, then upsell a full edit package once they see the results. Well, there you have it. These side hustles are fast to launch, easy to learn, and powered by tools that are free or low cost. You don't need experience, you just need to take action. If you want more real strategies that actually work, subscribe to the channel. All the links are below.